arrangements are completed for the presidential poll slated for tomorrow. The ruling Mizo National Front (MNF) and its ally, the Mizoram Congress Party (MCP), decided to abstain from voting in this presidential poll. Two opposition MLAs have reiterated their stand on the quality of polytarpaulin supplied to the government. Hello and welcome to Zonet today. I am Lian Sangi. Now the news in detail. All arrangements are completed for the presidential poll slated for tomorrow. In Mizoram, polling will be held in the committee room of the State Assembly House. The Assembly Secretary Aizawl, who is the Assistant Returning Officer for this election, told Zonet today that all the 40 MLAs of the state are expected to exercise their franchise in Aizawl, and no MP asked permission to cast vote in this polling station. Polling begins at 10 tomorrow morning and closes at 5 in the evening. Puravi Kumar, Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Human Resources Development, appointed by the Election Commission for Central Observer, has also arrived. Just after the close of polling, the used ballot box will be rushed to Silsar to be flown back to Election Commission, and it will be escorted by responsible officials. As already mentioned, the ruling UPA candidate Mrs. Pratibha Patil and independent candidate supported by the opposition NDA Byron Singh Shekhawat are locked in a straight contest in this presidential election, while Mizoram Pradesh Congress Legislature Party is inviting other party MLAs to support their candidate. Mizoram Nationalist Party ZNP, Mara Democratic Front MDF and Mizoram People's Conference MPC have decided to vote for the UPA candidate to ensure the secular nature of Indian democracy.